Introduction to the solar wireless electric vehicle charging system. So in this part we are using solar plate and also using a step down transformer, 12 volts 1 amp battery, charging circuit and inverter board, PIC microcontroller, and this is the transmitter winding and this is the receiver winding from the car wirelessly, and also we can see one capacitor and one LED from the car to indicate wireless power transmission. So we are charging this battery using two power sources. One is a transformer source, another is a solar source. So if there is no any sunrise, so then it will be not work. Even that time we will use this transformer to charge this battery. So we can charge also battery using this solar panel. So here we can see we can if we give the input of the rectifier from this transformer. So here you can see transformer we are providing a 230 volts power supply for the primary side, and the secondary side that will be stepped down up to 12 volts. That 12 volts will be given to this rectifier. So rectifier converts AC to DC. That converted DC will be given to this battery pack. So battery pack have a 4 volt 1 amp capacity each battery. So that batteries are added in a series. Current voltage will be added and current will be same. So that's why 444 is equals to 12 volts with the 1 amp. That will be charged by this transformer. At the same time we can charge this battery using a solar panel. So we have to remove this connection and we have to place this connection. So due to low sunlight, so we can see it is glowing very low. If it is placed in the sunlight, so it will be give more charge to the battery. So one doubt will be raised in our mind that generally transformer is a AC voltage that is converting to DC and giving to the battery, but here solar panel generating a DC power supply that will be given to this rectifier. So rectifier is generally used for the AC to DC converter, but here we are using this rectifier for the reverse voltage protection, because if the battery voltage is more than solar power voltage, then the voltage will be come across this solar panel. So solar panel may damage. To reduce the damage we are using this rectifier. So in the rectifier we know that we have a diodes. Diodes allows only forward voltage, it doesn't allow the reverse voltage. That's why we are using solar panel connection to this rectifier. Through rectifier we are charging this battery. And coming to the PIC microcontroller and the inverter here. So we know that inverter converts DC voltage to DC current to AC current. That converted current will be given to this transmitter coil. So this is the AC coil we have from this this side. So AC to DC will be converted by the PIC microcontroller pulses. So that pulses will be generated by the PIC microcontroller. Using this PIC microcontroller we are generating the pulses. That pulses will be given to this gate of this MOSFETs. So now I am switching on the power supply. So we can see PIC microcontroller is in on position. So if I place nearer to these windings, so we can see light indication here. In this way wirelessly it is taking the power supply from receiver coil. That receiver coil will be given to this light. So in this way this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.